Okay, so good morning everyone, or good evening depending on which part of the world you are from. My name is David and I'll be your host for today. Okay, let me just adjust this. Okay. So I hope that all of you are having a good day so far. Okay, so let's start by starting up Unity. Okay, so since the last stream session, I've added some new things to stars. So let's take a look at what has changed. Okay, before I go to that, let me just remove the transparent rectangle that you saw just now. Okay, hi Sarah and welcome to the channel. Okay, let me just remove the transparent rectangle and I will show you what has changed over the past 2 days. Okay, so on top of adding the enemies to the game, okay, you can now get weapons from collecting the stars, and the way you attack is to use your X key. Okay. So the first attack that you will acquire when collecting stars is called Slash. Okay, let's take a look at that again. Okay, so if you are playing for the game for the first time, the first weapon you will acquire is Slash. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, slash is a simple weapon that looks like a wave projectile. Okay, so as you can see, when you defeat an enemy, it will be destroyed, but we have not added the part where you earn experience from defeating your enemies. Okay, from earning experience, you will be able to grow your character, and you will become better in terms of better jumping ability, better attacking skills, better moving speed, and etc etc, depending on how you choose to grow your character. Okay. So for now, let's give you some experience from defeating enemies. Okay, to do that we have to go to the code. Okay, so in our enemy death method, we will give our player experience for defeating this enemy. Okay, let's do it here instead in attack. Okay, let's do it in death instead, because different enemies might have different experience. Okay, so we need to get our player. Okay, to do that, let's store our player inside the shared registry first. Okay, registry runner instance.set this player, store in registry so others can reference to it easily. Okay, enemy. Okay, so attributes, we need to create one more new attribute for our enemy, and let's call it float exp count. Okay, so this exp count will go directly to our player's current exp, which is this. Okay, exp count. Okay, so player dot current exp plus equals to exp count. Okay, and we need to call it to check if it levels up, or if your character levels up. Okay, to do that, let's create a new method which will handle everything regarding to experience and leveling up. Okay, so let's create a new region. Okay, region is just used to categorize and manage the various methods more neatly, I would say. Okay, region player growth. Okay, let's call it add experience float exp amount. Okay, okay. Current exp plus equals to exp amount. Means level up. Okay, if the exp percentage hits 100, it will mean that your character has leveled up. So we have to retrieve the next exp experience count requirement for next level from database or from file. Okay, so let's go back to enemy and let's call add experience exp amount. Okay, so what this does is that anytime you have defeated an enemy, the game will give your character experience. Okay, and it will update the experience bar so that you will see more green and more green. Okay, so let's give that a try and see if it works or not. Okay. Oh wait. Okay, I also have to give the enemy an EXP amount value. Okay, let's set as 1. Okay, left right to move, Z to jump. Okay, X to attack. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as you can see here, the experience bar is moving. Okay, as you can see here, it is now not 0% anymore. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, almost. Let's set this back to 0.01. Okay, so we are 10% now. Okay, 20%, 30%. As you can see, our experience bar is filling up steadily. Okay. Okay, so we are almost at 100%. Okay, but we will have to also level up our character. So let's do that with another new method called level up. Okay, let's move this here. Okay, let's call level up. And we will update our character level. Okay, increment our character level by 1. Okay, and we will also have to update our HUD, which will show the level for your character. Okay, update HUD with the new level. Okay, HUD manager, not HUD. Now text dot value equals to character level. Update value. Okay, and what update value does is that it will update the label with the new level using the number sprites. Okay, so let's give that a try and see if it works or not. Okay, left right to move, Z to jump. Oh wait, we have to reset our mask to 0.01. Okay, left right to move, Z to jump, and let's collect our star, X to attack. Okay, so let's gain some experience and let's try to level up. Okay, so we are almost halfway there. Okay, so as you can see, the game provides an never-ending stream of enemies. Okay, so as you can see, we are now at level 2. Okay, so we are now at level 2. So as you can see, level 2, once you reach level 2, it is harder to get to level 3. And so as you level up more and more, you'll find it harder to level up. Okay, we are almost to level 3. Okay, almost there. And we are now at level 3. Okay, so that is what I meant by leveling up. Okay, so now that we have that done, we also need to show the amount of stars that you have collected on this stage or on a particular stage so far. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, let's go to our sprites where we have our numbers. Okay, over here. Okay, okay, so let's duplicate our level text. Okay, let's move it away. From the level text, and let's call it stars amount text. And since we only need one digit for that, let's delete this. Okay, let's go back to our camera. Okay, and move our stars amount text here. Okay, let's change it to 00 and let's move it up. Okay, for our first digit we will use 0 as our sprite. Okay, so you see a 0 here. Okay, so we have to update all the sprites from 0 to 9.